Okay, so we arrived here as drainage division because Brian, one of our damp surveyors, had been here previously and has checked all the basement on this lower flank wall and found there to be damp coming through in various areas by this pane glass and also along this wall here in the corner. Environ is going to rectify the damp issues inside the property, but on the exterior he asked drainage to come and check and see what we think deemed necessary to sort of take the water away from the brickwork and into a drainage system that's further down the line. So we're going to put an ACO drain starting from this wall on the left and then come all the way down and put it into the drainage, hook it up into there. And this will allow water to run freely down the wall and then into the drainage system away. So it's going to be removing tiles, digging a trench, installing the ACO drain, and then re-cementing the slabs back in after they've been cut to shape. Okay, yeah, so we just finished installing the ACO, as you can see, and now we've set it all in concrete. It's all level and the tiles will go back over and meet the edge of where the ACO is. But yeah, we're going to expect a lot of rain, so we're going to come back tomorrow, just check everything's in place, still set properly, and then we can put the grills in.
Hi, my name's Paul. My colleague over there is Jamie. We're back here to reinstate the slabs.